play inside the paint. And napapakita naman na kayang-kaya niya makascore doon. And this is what I've been talking about. Pag hindi ready yung depensa dito kay George King.
Sanggala, he has 7 points already. Adding 2 more. He is on a tear.
This was part of our scouting report earlier. He has proven himself to be the best push-up.
Slipped in training yesterday and still has a swollen ankle. Panin na rin si James Kwekwe. Alanganin din, lalo na at hindi siya naka-ensayo ng 2 araw because he wasn't feeling well. Balik sa inyo.
That's really tough for Blackwater, di ba? You're already
in this conference because yung nabanggit natin, still recuperating from an injury. He made his first 4-point shot. Finally a basket from downtown. Itong si George King.
Ganun kalaking game changer ang 4-point shot. Suddenly, it's a 3-point game.
Because of his ability to shoot from the perimeter, not only that, he knows how to play good defense. There was one conference wherein nag-lead ba yan sa ating shot blocks per ball game. But speaking of...
Kick out to Pringle. Stanley steps into a jumper. That's good from deep.
Oh, finally a basket for Stan Pringle. His first basket in the ball game. A 3-pointer. Also his first shot from Rainbow territory. Katalida.
Kulang na lang, may spark sa bawat panggan. Itong dalawang big men na Sanggala. That's 2 more points. He's got 12 to lead Terra Firma.
Ito yung sinasabi natin. Now, nagkakaroon ng konting semblance of direction itong offense ng Terra Firma. Now they're going to the post.
Ferrer attacking baseline. Iwan kay Edwards. Finishes through the foul. Good setup for Ferrer. The finish from Edwards.
Well done. Kevin Ferrer using his quickness to blow by George King, and that forced itong si...
Their priority as well. Balik sa inyo.
4-point lead right now. Well, that changes as Paraiso converts 2 more points. May foul pa. He'll head back to the line. Coach, the same way this game started in the first quarter, Sanggala and Paraiso becoming the main factors for Terra Firma. As we take a look at this.
Position, two-guard position up to the small forward spot. Medyo secured na yun pa ngayon.
Good repost action for Terra Firma.
Minsan, ni isang beses, masakit yun dahil that's a record of futility. At best chance sila talaga dahil nagsastruggle din itong Blackwater. Kaya ang feeling nila is their best chance to win.
And a steal by Montalvo. King, sisiguraduhin niya na ngayon.
Napakahusay na import itong si King eh. At alam mo kung saan ako nabibili Brito, hindi siya nagpapakita ng frustration.
Si Brandon Edwards, Sanggala is down. Escoto, that was a sign for him to attack.
Oh, very strong third quarter for Blackwater, scoring 26 points while limiting Terra Firma to just 18. And also, very
capitalized. Kick out to Ferrer. Kevin. Oh, gets the basket as he finishes through the foul.
That is just good karma. Dahil nga, very unselfish si Kevin Ferrer. Napasa ng pasa rito kay Edwards. Nung pinalik na yung bola sa kanya, yung sinasabi natin, he will now have an opening either ng Terra Firma.
Staggered screens for Tungkab. Bibitaw siya sa labas. Tungkab hits the 3.
Very cool customer talaga ito si Tungkab. 11 points na ang kanyang naiambag sa kanyang kupunan. And more importantly, Jot, lamang na lang.
Sa kampiyonato, sama-sama tayo, manlalaro, tapos yun na.